Welcome back to my Chanel supercar. The brand new Dragon 2025 was shown today. Isuzu K4 blending is all this beast. Cares about rugged utility with modern technology, and we're here to dissect everything you need to know that the Isuzu's Dragon series has been a favorite among enthusiasts who value dependability and performance and reliability, especially in the toughest terrains, and with the everything in the Dragon Isuzu K4R4 of 2025 been moved to the next level. Let's start with the exterior of the 2025 Dragon K is made to declare its abrasive. The bold front grille and angular lines give it has a tough, unassuming appearance, and imposing stance and elevated ground clearance indicates that it is prepared to tackle anything that comes its way, whether it's muddy. This 4x4 travels through rocky, using the hills or deep sand were constructed off-road adventurer, keeping in mind the robust wheels match the house's bold fender flares that are able to handle even the majority challenging conditions. Now under the punch in Dragon K's hood is impressive. It's powered by a 3.0 the diesel engine with an L-turbo smooth consistent power and impressive capacity for towing. This engine can provide enough torque to overcome obstacles on the road without difficulty while maintaining high levels of fuel efficiency for long-haul journeys, whether you're commuting through the city or putting yourself at risk the beaten path. This powertrain producing promises to deliver the performance you need it when you need it. By 2025, the Isuzu Dragon K also stands out. Isuzu has ensured that the cabin is functional as it is comfortable, though the interior is constructed of robust materials that can stand up to wear and dirt, making it ideal for those muddy adventures. At the same time, it does not lack for cutting edge features. A high-tech infotainment system takes center stage, complete with a large Bluetooth connectivity and a touchscreen, advanced navigation to assist you in remaining on course no matter where you're headed. Comfort isn't forgotten either. The seats are made for long trips and have ample space and support to regardless of whether you are tackling either the suspension is or the terrain is cruising down a highway. System removes bumps for a more seamless pleasant ride, as well as the addition of cargo space. You'll have plenty of room to bring along all your gear, but it's not only about safety and strength. I appreciate your interest in. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.